Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the Shopify Search Discovery app, one of the most powerful tools to help your customers find what they're looking for faster and improve your store's overall shopping experience. Let's get started. First, head to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Apps and open the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Search Discovery. Once you find the app, click Add App and then install. The app is completely free and made by so you can trust that it integrates perfectly with your store. After installation, open the app from your Shopify dashboard. You'll land on the main homepage of the Search Discovery app. This is where you can manage all your product recommendations, filters, search synonyms, and more. Let's start with product recommendations. These are the you may also like or related products sections that appear on product pages. In the app, click on Product Recommendations to customize what products show up together. You can manually assign related products or let Shopify automatically suggest items based on your store data and customer behavior. Next, we have custom filters. Filters make it easier for shoppers to narrow down their search results. For example, filtering by color, size, price, or brand. Go to the Filters tab, then click Add Filter. Choose the type of filter you want and assign it to specific collections or product categories. This will appear in your store's search results and collection pages, giving customers a smoother browsing experience. Now let's talk about search synonyms. This feature helps your customers find what they're looking for even if they type different words. For example, if someone searches for sneakers, but your products are labeled as running shoes, you can set sneakers and running shoes as synonyms. That way, your store shows relevant products no matter what term the shopper uses. Finally, the app also includes boosting options. You can prioritize certain products or collections so they appear higher in search results. This is super helpful during promotions, sales, or when you want to highlight bestsellers. Once you're happy with your setup, click Save to apply all your changes. Then visit your store and test it out. Try searching for a few keywords. Use the filters and see how the recommendations look, and that's it. You've successfully set up and customized the Shopify Search Discovery app to make your store easier to navigate and more engaging for customers. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, and let me know in the comments what feature you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.